Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Aigmx by Virtuals token. Now this token just came out 3 hours ago. It's trending number 29 in the base section on DEX Screener, and it already has a $1 million market cap and a $1.3 million market cap and a $1 million 24-hour trading volume, which is, basically a 3-hour trading volume. So needless to say, this token is doing very well right off the bat. We're going to go over the information on the Aigmx by Virtuals token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is up 0.1% right now, so it's kind of not really going anywhere this second. But it has a $1 million trading volume. They've had a 1,311 transactions so far. $1.3 million fully diluted valuation and market cap. Token price is 0.0013 USD. Trending number 28 with $343,000 worth of liquidity in Uniswap. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen right here. And you can see that they do have the contract address right there. This is the automated AI agent Twitter at AIGMX_agent. So if you're looking to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store base tokens. So you could use a Coinbase wallet, you could use a Trust wallet, or a MetaMask wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund that wallet with ETH and then bridge it to Base, or you could fund your wallet directly with Base from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Base, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then using the contract address you could find right there on their Twitter, you would trade your Base for this token. And as far as taxes go, I don't believe there is taxes, but we'll have a look here in their audit, see if it says 0% buy and sell taxes, so you will not have to set slippage. Now, you will have to pay a small amount of gas fees, though, when buying tokens off of Uniswap. So it says Aigmx is an AI-powered agent designed to revolutionize the way users interact with decentralized perpetuals trading protocols. Initially developed as a Twitter bot tracking a prominent trader on the GMX platform, Aigmx has evolved into a sophisticated tool capable of identifying and reporting significant trades across the entire GMX ecosystem. With its unique blend of real-time on-chain analysis, engaging presentation, and a touch of meme-inspired humor, Aigmx is poised to become the leading on-chain trading companion for both novice and experienced traders. So the problem here, it says decentralized perpetual trading platforms offer benefits, but challenges persist. So the challenges could be information overload, anonymity, complexity, time sensitivity, emotional bias. Now the benefits are transparency, control, and accessibility. The solution Your AI-powered key to on-chain trading, Aigmx, is designed to unlock the potential of decentralized perpetuals trading by directly addressing these challenges that users face. They have taming information overload, so Aigmx sifts through the vast sea of on-chain trading data, pinpointing and extracting the most relevant information, significant trades, closed positions, and emerging trends. Also, de-anonymizing the stars, so Aigmx will identify the most profitable on-chain addresses, making previously hidden trader information available. It will assist them to track records so users can study and learn from the best. Simplifying complexity through clear, concise, and engaging presentation, Aigmx demystifies complex market dynamics, making them accessible to both novice and experienced traders. The real-time advantage, so Aigmx provides instant alerts on significant market movements, ensuring users never miss a critical opportunity in this fast-paced environment. Mitigating emotional bias by providing data-driven insights and highlighting successful strategies, Aigmx helps users make informed decisions free from the grip of fear, greed, and FOMO. And beyond reporting the intelligent trading, Aigmx will evolve to offer predictive analytics, sentiment analysis, automated trading features, and trading vaults, empowering users with a comprehensive AI-driven trading toolkit. Now, the current capabilities, Aigmx now can identify significant trades in real time, calculate profit, loss, and leverage used, present information in an engaging and humorous way, provide context with relevant market data, include affiliated links with the relevant trader's profile on GMX. They have examples of these tweets. Now, our vision, the leader in agentic on-chain trading insights, Aigmx's vision extends beyond simply reporting trades. We aim to become the leading AI-powered platform for on-trade trading insights, empowering users to make informed decisions and navigate the decentralized trading landscape with confidence. The key pillars of this vision: trading-centric analysis, develop advanced algorithms to identify top-performing traders to analyze their strategies. Multi-platform expansion, extend coverage beyond GMX to other decentralized trading platforms, providing a holistic view on the on-chain trading landscape. And actionable insights, offer analytics and trading signals based on aggregated on-chain data. Community-driven development, incorporate users' feedback to continuously improve and expand Aigmx's capabilities. And education and empowerment, provide resources and tools to help users understand on-chain trading and develop their own strategies. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about Aigmx by Virtuals? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.